been told. There's a fire inside you that's ready to explode. It's time to learn some old-time rock and roll and let the music awaken your soul. Ashlyn and Grace step into the spotlight bright, leading the band ready to ignite. The students pick up instruments, feeling bold, with I Wanna Rock pumping through their soul. No more sitting quiet, no more rules to obey. They stomp, they clap, they're here to play. They name their band, but the whole school here, School of Rock, brings